Hello, hello. I'm finishing my night, um, and I wanted to share just like where I am at the moment and what the plans are for tomorrow. So basically, what I did, I managed to do one additional state machine, and it's for the attester storage. So when there is a storage proof challenge, there is an attester involved, and this is the tasks that they need to do. And there is now two more left. Performance. It's split into two machines because there is a lead attester and there is like a regular attester involved. And then I have also this plan and user. So I'm gonna continue working on this. But why I didn't manage to do them is because I was fixing a little bit this main datdot service.js. I made like some helper functions so that whenever I want to trigger a certain event, whenever I want to send it to the datdot service state machine, I have like a little function that helps me with this so that I don't have to always repeat everything. I also have database where I'm storing the name of every state machine that I spawn. Only the state machine that is related to hosting. So only when the hoster is involved. So not for attesters and not for encoders because they are just one-time tasks. But hosters are, if you remember from yesterday, they just go through all the stages and then they should kind of stay in this hosting state forever and listen to these events so that they can do the tasks that kind of are related to the hosting. So I need to put that one into the database. We are using a peer-to-peer database, of course, Hyper-V, which is based on a a hypercore protocol. Super lovely thing. I recommend you to check it out. So we're putting the state machine in. We have a unique key and we create a name, which is made of a prefix, which is some kind of random mix of numbers, a role and an ID, and we store this into database. And then when we want to call this same state machine, we just give it an ID and contract ID, which are a key, and then we get back the name or buffer first, and then we have to parse it and we get the name, and then we can send the event to that state machine. So let's see, wrong button. How it works now is I have a scenario that I'm trying to run. So I'm creating a hosting setup. I'm telling hoster to start hosting, goes through all the phases, should stay in the hosting state, and then I wait for 5 seconds, and then I send storage proof challenge request, and that one should be transferred or emitted to the hoster. So storage proof, and this one should kind of trigger these steps. But it sadly doesn't work. I get the same state machine. So this is the first state machine. I get the name, and then I check into the database. I get that name, and I send to the same name, so the same state machine, a new event. But for some reason, the state machine is not active. So here it logs always the active state machines, but for some reason this one, although there is no event that it kind of ended, it somehow doesn't appear here and nothing gets executed. So I have to now figure out what's happening, if I have to somewhere say persist or something. So I'll see. So this is where I am. Oh, I have 10 seconds left. Yay. Yeah, I'm going to continue here and see you tomorrow.